Civic. I'm dipping in my Civic, my Civic, my Civic. I'm bouncing in my Civic, my Civic, my Civic. I'm riding in my Civic, my Civic, my Civic. I got a free gas Civic.
What's going on, y'all? It's boy LSRY254, and you will tune in for another one. We are right here on the back of the Chevelle, aka my workbench. That's what it is. It's a big ass workbench. Anyway, had to run out, grab a couple things, man, from Harbor Freight. So this is gonna be my baby tool haul thingamajigabobber. All right, boom. Let's get it started. First of all, I got First of all, I got a digital multimeter. It was like $6. My other one crapped out on me. I don't know if some water got inside of it or what, but $6 runs off a 9-volt battery. Which brings me to my next point. Boom, I did get 9-volt batteries, got 4 of them. I don't really use them like that, so I did go ahead and grab some batteries while I was there. Boom, wire stripper. I can never keep up with my wire strippers. I'm actually gonna go through my toolbox here pretty soon, because I've been thinking about getting another toolbox, a wider toolbox, a bigger toolbox, but I really don't think I need one. So I'm gonna go through there and I'm gonna really get rid of stuff I really don't need and go from there. Because eventually what I want to do is get rid of this little white cabinet. So put all that stuff over here and then be good to go, and then that'll free up some room. Or get a tool cart, or get a workbench. It's like 46-inch, whatever. I don't know what I'm gonna do. So workbench sounded ideal. However, I think that's kind of overkill as well. So back to the tools. Got the wire strippers. Yeah, got that. Also picked up my free item, 24 pack of batteries. You can never have enough. And you will see why I got AAA batteries in the next video.